Ready to bring your vision to life. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how you can create a beautiful professional website using Canva. No coding skills required. Whether you are a small business owner, artist, or blogger, this easy process will have your site up and running in no time. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome back in this channel where I will show you how you can make a website using canva.com. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content, including websites using an intuitive drag and drop interface. It offers a wide range of templates, images, and design tools that simplify the web design process, making it accessible for users without coding or design experience. With Canva, you can easily customize layouts, add multimedia elements, and publish your website directly, and also export it for further use. So let's come back to the top. I will show you how you can get started. So you have just to click over sign up. Once you do that, you write your email address and your password, then you will find this page, canva.com. So you have just to click over here and you click over Canva template. You search about website. As you can see, so right now you have just to choose one. For example, I will choose this one. Then I will click over customize this template. As you can see, here we have this page. We have portal, teach, go, choose. We have design here, elements. So to create a website on Canva, start by signing up in your Canva account and selecting the website option from the templates menu. Browse through your various pre-designed templates that suit your style and purpose and click on one to customize it. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, and elements, adjusting colors and layouts as needed. Once you are satisfied with your design, click the Publish button to either share your website link directly or download it for hosting elsewhere. With Canva's user-friendly tools, you can create a professional-looking website in just a few simple steps. So right now, for example, if you wanna delete this one, you can just delete it and you write whatever you want. Here we have text color. You choose the color that you want for the photo color. You can choose the red. You can also change all. As you can see, also we have your other things like add notes. Also we have here block page, duplicate page if you want 2 pages. As you can see, we have here also delete page if you want. You can also add 1 page. Also we have here the animate. For example, here we have ABC, all like that. Speed, here we have, if you want to add speed, and that's it. Then we have here also edit time and position. Then we have transition, self slide, duration here also. That's it. Then we have your fade, slide, position, overlaps here. As you can see. Then we have other things like fixed style and color also. Then we have your page. If you want to zoom, and then we have your thumbnail views, grid view, preview, as Canva also. And also here we have design. For example, you choose website templates if you want, layout, style also. For templates, we have here all results, and then we have also here elements, for example frame, arrow, button, line, shapes also, button. Here we have graphics also, image generator, and here we have text. You can add a text box, magic write. Then we have your add your brand fonts. Then we have default text styles, add a heading, add a subheading, and you have add a title, page of body text. Then we have recently used, workout, 5 types for great skin. Do you have your font combinations here, for example, like that, as you can see. And you have your brand also. Print templates, you can add the logo, colors, fonts. Then you can also upload images, videos. Then you have draw also. For example, I will select this one and I will write here something. So you can see. Then also we have, if you wanna select this one, and that's it. Then we have here the color settings also, and we will have quick actions. We have file, resize, editing. If you want to come back here to the top, I will come back. As you can see, this is the first impression of the page. And this is how it works with Canva. You can just get started right now. So Canva empowers users to create stunning visual content easily and efficiently, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced designers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive resources, and collaborative features streamline the design process, allowing anyone to bring their creative vision to life, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Canva remains a valuable tool in the digital landscape. So this is how you can get started with canva.com and making it an website. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and let's see you again in the next video.